These are the elevators at the lab building in Highland, Denver, Colorado. These are KONE with EcoDiscs with KSS 570 and a loud chime. Some slightly older, so they have the older braille and the different older voice. Is the basement open? I think it's a parking, yeah, it's open because it's a parking garage. Here we go down. Sounds like a MonoSpace here at the basement. Big Clanky's 4 open. It is open. Here, go up. I don't know if there's a service elevator here. If it is, it's probably locked. Here 4. Go back down to 1. Here's the other one moving. The elevators are a little bit worn out, but they're not terrible. It's a basic stainless steel barrel KONE cab. There's tile and carpeting on the floors. Oh, I thought there was a camera in this elevator. Maybe there was a different building that had a camera in the elevator. The white LEDs. Here are 1. It's only because it fits one of the things at first. Pre-doors. Except for KONE. That's gonna be